Cleo advance amounts are not increased by simply requesting a higher limit. Eligibility is usually based on your account activity, repayment behavior, and the information Cleo uses when reviewing your account. By the end, you'll know what actions can help your Cleo advance eligibility improve over time, what mistakes can slow progress, and where to check inside the app for the information that matters. The first thing to understand is that repayment history is one of the biggest factors you can control. When you use an advance and repay it according to the required schedule, it shows a pattern of responsible account use. A consistent history can help your account appear more reliable when Cleo reviews eligibility. The next step is keeping your connected account information accurate. Cleo may use information from your linked bank account to understand your financial activity. If your account connection has problems, or your information is outdated, review the app settings and make sure everything is current. Another factor is regular app usage. Features and eligibility checks can change, so opening Cleo and checking your available options keeps you aware of any updates. If your available amount does not change immediately, that does not always mean something is wrong. Eligibility decisions can depend on multiple account factors. Avoid behaviors that can make your account look less stable. Missing repayments, disconnecting your bank account, or having incomplete information can affect how your account is evaluated. The best approach is to focus on consistent usage, rather than repeatedly requesting increases. To check your current status, open the Cleo app and review the available advance section. If your amount has not increased, look for any messages, account requirements, or prompts that explain what may be needed. The main points are simple. First, repay advances on time because your repayment pattern matters. Second, keep your linked account information accurate so Cleo has reliable data. Third, use the app regularly and review any eligibility updates. Your next step is to open Cleo, check your account details, and make sure your repayment history is accurate. If this guide helped you understand how advance increases work, subscribe for more app guides and practical fixes.